Bamix, the kitchen robot. Bamix does it all. Mincing, pureeing, stirring, mixing, emulsifying, whipping, frothing, cutting, kneading, and grating. It's ergonomic, powerful, quiet, and compact. Here are the most important operating instructions. The Bamix must be disconnected from the electricity supply when changing attachments. To ensure the attachment is firmly fitted, slide the groove over the stud. The Bamix can essentially be used in any receptacle, even directly in the pan. Narrow, high beakers make the work easier. In general, work with the speed set at level 2. Always use the whisk at level 1. The Bamix is easy to clean. Simply rinse the chrome-plated section under running water. Remove the attachments after cleaning. Lubricate the drive shaft every few months. For this purpose, apply 1 to 2 drops of food-safe fine oil to the drive shaft and briefly run the device. Then clean. And should something go wrong, the Bamix can be repaired at any time.